Code and Seek. My name is Abhijith and I'm thrilled to have you here. Currently, I'm a BTech student in Computer Science and Engineering and I'm on a mission to become a full stack developer. For that, I'm learning at Next Wave, diving deep into coding and 4.0 technologies. When I'm not in the immersive world of technology, you will find me diving into a good piece of literature or exploring virtual worlds in games like Minecraft or GTA. But this channel isn't just about me, it's about us, our journey together. Whether you're a newbie, a tech enthusiast, or just curious about what's going on behind the screen, Code and Seek is here to help you navigate around the digital world. From coding tutorials to tech insights, and maybe a few fun side projects, Code and Seek is here to share the knowledge and learn alongside with you. So hit that subscribe button and join me every week to code and seek new horizons in the tech world. Let's build something amazing together.